it seems like you're understanding the whole puzzle concept the wrong way.
Oh, really? Do you have better ideas?
Well, at least one. Wanna hear?
Sure.
Then stop messing around and let's do the puzzle.
Ugh, but Sue, it's boring.
Well, I'll show you something quite unusual. Come on.
Huh, we'll see about that.
Hi, guys. Today we're going to do a puzzle with really unusual pieces.
Now that's a challenge.
Each puzzle piece has its unique shape. There are stars and lollipops and birds and even a unicorn.
Did you say lollipop? Where is it? I want it!
Oh, really? Then first you should work hard enough to be able to find it.
Oh, I can't wait. Hey, Sue, you forgot to mention what picture we'll have eventually.
Oh, you'll definitely like it. It's your favorite character.
Is it really what I think it is? Hooray! We'll assemble a puzzle with a picture of me! Right?
Not exactly. It'll be a fairy tale unicorn. Oh, Sammy, is that okay? Are you upset? If you want,
Are
we
you
could…
kidding me, Sue? The unicorn's even better! I couldn't even imagine that.
Phew, I thought I was in trouble. Well, what do we start with? Let's see.
Let's do it in a classic way, which is to start from the borders and move to the center.
You're right. It's always easier to begin with the frame. Let's split it. You do the upper part and I'll do the lower part and we'll meet in the middle.
Deal, let's do it.
Since I've already started, maybe this time I'll win.
I need more, Sue. More pieces for me. I'll go search there. Oh, the cat's mine.
Hey, Sammy! Sammy, this is definitely a piece from my part. Look, it fits right over here.
No way! I found it first. I like it so much.
Are we going to fight over one piece? Really? Tell me where it is.
Susan, let me go. I'll give it to you.
Okay.
Gotcha.
Oh, what a slick slime! Okay, I can start on the other side.
Well. Interesting. Where should I put it? Oh, I'm lost.
Something wrong, Sammy? Maybe you need my help?
Susie, this cat-like piece doesn't fit anywhere. You try.
Well, it doesn't fit because it's not from here. I told you so.
Shiver me chutters, why? Why me? I lost so much time.
But this piece fits perfectly to my part of the puzzle, and I'm ahead of you.
Let me see. So now you challenge me? I accept and I'm gonna beat you, Susan.
Ah, a risky slime. On guard. I give up.
Now we can proceed with the puzzle. Hey, how should we choose the winner now? We shouldn't have put it all together.
Are we still competing?
Sure.
Call it a draw? You better check out what a large puzzle we have.
But there's still a lot to be done. Sue, can we handle it?
Do you have doubt, Sammy? That's so unlike you.
No doubt, Sue. This ice cream brought me hope. So, where did we stop? Let's do the colorful mane. It attracts so much attention.
Sammy, we missed one important piece here. Look! What goes there?
Oh, this can't be true. We forgot about the horn. That's the main piece of the whole puzzle.
That's true. A unicorn can't do magic without their horn. We need to find it quickly, Sammy. Would you be so kind to find it while I proceed with the puzzle?
No need to ask, Sue. I'm gonna use my outstanding detective skills and find it in no time.
Guys, I want to share a small life hack with ya. Assembling a puzzle will be easier if you go around in a circle.
Ha! That's a great tip, Sue. As soon as I find the horn, I'll join you immediately.
I'll be here waiting for you, Sammy. Check out these guys. These are magic crystals.
Wow, they're so shiny. There's magic all around. I'm jealous.
Sammy, if you forgot, we can do a little magic too. Which part of the puzzle would you like to do in a mere second?
Huh. Maybe the unicorn's cute head? Why?
I'll do it in a flash. Check this out. And another small but important piece. There you go.
It turned out just like I expected, Sue. Why don't you use magic to find that horn?
No way, cunning slime. You promised to do it by yourself.
Uh-huh. Like it'll fall from the sky and hit my head. Hey! No way!
Whoa, Sammy. It's like you just learned to create objects out of thin air.
This was defo the unicorn's magic! Or the magic crystals. Anyway, I found it.
Oh, there are so many pieces for clouds. It'll be quite hard to assemble them.
Why don't we separate them from the other pieces at first?
Great idea, Sammy. Can you help me with that?
In a couple of seconds.
1.
I'm done.
But how?
Let me show ya.
Okay. Oh, look at these unusual pieces, guys. There are so many stars.
Sue, why does our unicorn live in the sky? It doesn't even have wings.
Don't you think it can jump very high? Maybe that's its magical skill.
I wish I could jump that high, but I can't.
Stay focused and try again, Sammy. I believe in you.
Okay.
Our unicorn will share its magic with you. Go!
I am Slick Slime Sam!
Huh. What is the dress doing here? Wow, more unicorns and rainbows. Let's put them right here. And this piece goes here. Perfect.
Wow! What a jump! How long did it last?
Just long enough for me to do all this.
Holy cannoli, I missed that much!
And check out how many magic crystals are here. Guys, what do you think?
Wow! I knew it!
Knew what, Sammy? Did you count all the crystals?
All these crystals are pink. I knew that pink was a magical color.
Oh, I see. It's true we have lots of pink here. Even the unicorn is pinkish.
Really? I forgot about that. I can't wait to see the whole puzzle.
Yeah, me too, Sammy. Let's sort the remaining pieces according to colors.
It'll just take a couple of seconds, guys, so don't go anywhere and you'll see the magic.
Great, we did it fast. Where should we start?
That's an easy question. We have a head without a mane. That's not right.
That's true. Let's fix it. There you go. And another piece goes right here. Guys, check out these balloons. Great! This piece will make them complete.
Susie, you even assembled the neck! Wow!
I think we should deal with the tail now. We're gonna need lots of colorful pieces.
Sue, I found out why the unicorn has a colorful mane and tail.
Huh, I didn't even think about how it has a colorful mane and tail. So, why, Sammy?
It's so obvious. Our unicorn was born on a rainbow, and that's why it lives among the clouds.
Huh, that's an interesting theory, Sammy. Maybe you're right.
It's true, Susan. Check this out. We have all the rainbow colors here. Red, yellow, green, purple.
Okay, I'm not arguing. Maybe now you can help me here? We only have several pieces left.
Come on. Hey, just a little.
Sammy, don't jump on it. You'll break it. This piece should definitely be in another place. Let's try putting it here. See? A bit of patience and no rush makes the deal.
But I was so sure. The color and shape fit. Sorta.
No, they don't.
Okay.
I really like this cute little diamond. And we have one special place left for this wonderful dragon. Hop. The center's still empty and there's so much pink here.
I've been sorting these pieces for so long, they're all similar to me now.
First, let's make the front legs. We'll need a couple of colorful details here.
Huh, I've already found these pieces. May I put them on the right places? May I?
You're a great tracker, Sammy. Sure, do it.
Ha! This goes here. Yep, done. And this goes here. Okay, I finished. I did awesomely.
Wow! Looks like the body of the unicorn has some patterns. So beautiful.
It's like it was painted with watercolors. I wish I could hang it on the wall.
Well, when we finish, we'll be able to do that. And now, Sammy, help me find some more pieces.
I'm here. Will these fit?
Let's see. This little rabbit goes here. And the little present goes right here. Phew! Done! Just a little bit more to go. I can't wait to see the whole picture. Oh, how could I miss this little one?
I got it too!
Oh, thank you, Sam. And the smallest piece completes our puzzle.
Turned out just great! What's next, Sue?
Well, let's hang it on the wall. It'll be a nice decoration.
I know whose room it'll be in. Definitely in mine!
Rock, paper, scissors. 1, 2, 3. I have rock.
Fine, I have paper. I won.
Oh, you always win. Next time, let's flip a coin.
Guys, did you like our wooden unicorn puzzle? Give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.
See you soon. Bye-bye.
Bye!